Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Raw Excel from the official website. So Raw Excel is a Windows tool that lets you fully customize mouse acceleration, which is perfect for gamers and precision users. Now to download, you can do so from the home page. As you can see, there's a download option right at the top. Close the ad and this will take you to the download page. Now always choose the latest version and then click download. And this should be in your download option, and if you want you can try out the older versions, but latest ones are usually the best. Now once your download is done, as you can see, it's very small size. Then open the zip file and then just extract the zip file, and let me just go and extract it. So once you have downloaded, extract the zip file, and this should extract your zip file. And as you can see, have it downloaded. Now, all you have to do is click on the installer application and then click yes, and then installer will be complete. Then just press any key to continue. And now you have your Excel application installed. Just to open it up. So please wait for it to install. Okay, so if it happens, just give a quick restart and this should uh, open up your raw Excel installer, sorry, application. Now, before that, make sure you have Visual C++ 2019 runtime downloaded. If not, you can download both of them from here. Also, you need .NET Framework 4.7.2 plus. So make sure to download both and then open the application. And that's all there is to it. You have downloaded raw Excel and you are now ready to tweak your mouse acceleration like a pro.